link, so you can click on it if you was absent, or you're like, oh, I need to review, I need to go back, I forgot what we talked about, and you can go here too. Okay. All right, so let's move on. Okay. This is the lesson that this would be your first practice assignment in Khan Academy, is that we're going to test for a solution. If you look at this one and say, is x equals 6 is a solution of this equation. So what you can do is that, what you would do is, when it's asking for a solution, the first step you would do, I put it in here so you don't have to copy everything, but it's saying substitute 6 into the equation. You take this one, the 6, plug into the x value, which is right here. Okay, so over here, what you can do is that you can do the substitution. Okay, so you can do substitution right here. Substitute, right, into the x values. So now you can have 6 minus 4 equals 3. Well, let's simplify this expression, which is 6 minus 4 give me 2. 2 is not equal to 3, so this is a false statement. If it's a false statement, then it's not a solution. So that's how we determine a solution of an equation. We plug in the values into the equation and test it out, simplify everything, and then we compare the final answer. Okay, let's try the next one. Same thing, I put the step in for you. Is 6 the solution of this problem? Well, let's look over here. I have 2 plus 4, parenthesis, x minus 1. So what I can do, I'm taking this 6, plug into the x values right here. So if you plug it in, this is what you end up with, 2 plus 4, parenthesis, 6 minus 1, parenthesis, equal 2, right? I'm sorry, not 2, equal 22. Order operations, I would do the inside parenthesis first. 6 minus 1, which give me 5. Then I would do multiplication, which is 20. 2 plus 20, which is 22. It is a true statement, so yes, 6 is a solution. So here's the two options. If you do everything that you're supposed to do on both sides, you simplify everything, and your final solution, if you have 22 and 22, that means yes, it is true, then it is the solution. Based on your summative, a lot of you do really well with special cases. You understand when it's infinitely many solution, when it's no solution, right? So that is good. I'm very happy that objective, most of you did well. Okay. Also, if you want to go back and check for your test, if you think about only retake this part of the test, and that's fine too. You don't have to do everything. All right. Okay. Question for me. Okay. So now we're gonna write expression. So this is something that you may run into. How do we change something into equations, translate the word into equations? So sometimes I give you a statement, especially now, if I tell you over in conference right now, just tell you, okay, 3x minus 4 equal 10. You should be able to know what that look like, right? So it's like a verbal statement that I'm going to give it to you, and you'll be able to translate into algebraic expression. So those are the things that we're going to work on. Quotient, okay? What does that mean? Quotient. Over here, I have 4 options for you to choose. If I say quotient, do I mean add? Do I mean subtract, multiply, or divide? Just click on it. What do you think? Quotient, because this is important for the next assignment. You should know which operation that I'm asking you to do. So I know for some of you still, if you're still in Khan Academy, can you just go back and resume the class? Let's take notes. You will have time to finish your Khan Academy, but you want to pay attention to this so you have higher score, and then I don't have to ask you to redo the work, okay? I will have, so let's show some response. Quotient, you say option A, B, C. Okay, let's see which one is which. I respond. So A is add, so B is subtract, C is multiply, and D is divide. Okay. Quotient means option D, right? It's quotient. It means division. One of you chose E. That is not true. That's not E. It's D. Is divide. So quotient means divide. Okay, so let's look at the next one. Drag your dot in the word problem. The word is means equal. Is that true? You think yes, it's true. Put the dot here. You're not sure, then put it here. Or no, you don't think is means equal. Is means equal. Is that true? Okay, again, if you are not doing, some of you not responding, I only have a couple students, so please pause the Khan Academy and work on this, please. Okay, cool. I'm gonna show some of the dot. A lot of you is not sure. 3 of you say yes. Okay. So is, and then we have some of you still thinking. We have more participants. That's good. I will share you, like I said, I will share you the report at the end of the day. So you see if you participate, it's there. If you did not, then it shows that you have not responded to me. And that will give you is your record to say, Miss Nguyen, you did not give me credit for the day, but I did the work. So you can save those and share with me. So this one is true. Yes. The word is means equal. For example, say 3 times 4 is 10. That is mean 3 times 4, x equal to 10. So yes, it means the same thing. Is means equal. Okay. Again, for those who need to edit in, you may, I'm not locking the screen, so you still be able to add that in right now. Okay. What's the word off? Off means what? Are we add? Are we subtract? Are we multiply? Are we divide? Okay. I forgot what option C is. Sorry. It's multiply. Yes, so a lot of you chose C. That is correct. Off means multiplication. So these are the keywords that you want to pay attention to when you do Khan Academy. All right, so off, cool. That's option C. This means multiply. Difference, the word difference means subtraction. Yes, not sure, or no. You can see the dot. I have more students go toward yes. I have some said no. I have one said no. One, no. 2 people say no. Okay, that's fine. Difference means subtract. Because think about what is the difference that you have. Like you start up with some money and now it's the difference. So yes, this means subtractions. So difference means subtraction. So when you do the translating, I'll do one example in Khan Academy with you in a minute, but I just want to go over the keyword with you first. So that is good. It should be yes. It means the same thing. Okay, so it's not no. It's yes. Right. Just quick review again. Draw the line to match the image to the answer. If I have divide, should I go to is? Should I go to quotient? Just kind of a quick summarize of what we just talked about. Just keyword. So okay, this person have divide quotient, multiply off, good. Subtraction is difference, perfect. Times means what? We multiply, we equal, we divide. What is times? Okay. Equal is, okay, good. Multiply, also another word we can use is times, that's good. Subtraction is difference. Less than, yes, less than is also means subtraction, quotient. Okay. For addition, it doesn't list a word here, but for addition, we can see like the sum, the total of something. Okay, so that's good. Thank you. Again, we just want to test a little bit more because the next exercise is just based on these term, okay? So divide over here, where do we see multiply, okay? If I say the average of something, are we divide, are we multiply, or we add? So average, think about find the average of something. What do you do? Okay. Minus, subtraction, that is good. Just drawing the one that you know, and hopefully the other people can see it. I'm like, oh, I know this one. So cos, okay, cos is equal, good. Subtraction is, right here, subtraction should be what? It's obvious right here. Subtraction is subtraction, good. Twice mean multiply, more than mean addition. Average divide, that is perfect, that is good, because they don't directly say divide, but the average something mean I add the total and then I divide by how many people that I have to get an even. Okay. Twice minus, so that is good, perfect. We're not going to do expression and equation for now. We're just going to look at this one. I'm going to skip this screen. We're not going to do this. We skip this one. Okay. All right. So this is the exercise that you're going to work on today for Khan Academy. It's saying 4 times a number increased by 7. So look over here. Say 4 times mean multiply a number. Increase is also mean plus 7. Okay. So times is also multiplication. The second one says the products of 3 and a number. So the product means 3 times that number. Divide by 9. So my screen is not showing 9. Hopefully it's showing yours, but then this is number 9 on the bottom. So that is the Khan Academy assignment that I want you to work on. Look on the, so over here say 8 more than the product of 2 and a number. So 8 more than, so that would be add. For the time that we have, we're not going to do check for understanding here. I saw one of you already did it. That's fine. But I want to share the screen to show you the Khan Academy assignment. This one, we're going to start. I'm going to do one problem with you in here, and then now you may begin with this one. Okay, once you've done, let me know that you've finished, and then I can dismiss you. But if you're not done, continue to finish. It's remote learning after this, so you can leave it. You can just continue to work on it. This one is say 9 less than the quotient of 2 and a number of x, right? So quotient means divide. Less than means subtract, but 9 less than the quotient. So I'm going to group these. Quotient of 2. So that would be of 2 and a number. So quotient means 2 and a number x. 9 is less than this one, so I'm going to minus 9. So that should be the expression I'm going to write. So quotient of 2. This is the order. This is the hardest statement in this exercise. Quotient of 2 and a number. So 2 first, so that's why 2 is on the top. Number, they said second, so that's why x is on the bottom. If it's 9 less than something, I will subtract this whole thing with 9. Okay, and then I can check. Okay, that's good. So go ahead and start on this exercise. If like I said, if you want me to check on your work to say, Miss Nguyen, can I share my screen? We can look at the problem and you can do it. Okay.